So, here's how to draw a board. Sorry, here. The camera's off centered from the paper. Also, I'm kind of confused with it. So I kind of just made this kind of board up entirely, just with concept board in my mind. Right, like that. You get point with this, you color it all in. Oh. Looking a lot cuter. And then fourth try. Maybe, oh, hold on, just a do. Okay, and you could add that, maybe I guess so. Nah, not that. So basically what you saw in the 4th minute, no, in the minute was the original one. I'm kind of just modifying it to see if I can make it look better. Yeah, maybe just do this. Maybe just do that. And none other of the modifications. Definitely make it look as cute as possible. And nose any size. You could have it more flat, more triangle-like. It'll make it look a lot more different. Reminder, when it was in 2 minutes, it was the original one. I'm just showing. Do you like the legs? I know they're cute too. Maybe add that. Oh, I really like that. I really suggest to add this as well. And make sure there's at least two lines here. I don't understand why I want it like that, but I want it like that. Maybe add some small lines about, but I want this to be a short video.